In this video, we will be focusing on vendor return and customer replacement order after issuing a credit memo. In this scenario, Randy Salon and Spa orders assorted beauty items: lipstick, eyebrow pencil, blush on, and powder. This is the invoice. 15 different shades of lipstick were ordered, and for some reason, some were labeled incorrectly, and the customer had only discovered it after thorough inspection. Others had the wrong shade. In this picture, 10 out of 50 LM10s were labeled as either LM18s or LM11s. In this picture, 12 out of 30 were labeled LM36, had the wrong shade. They issue a customer return for the mislabeled and incorrect items and are requesting for replacement items of their choice. There is a new enhancement to assign the credit memo to automatically create a replacement customer order. To begin the process, go to Returns, Issue New Customer Return. Then narrow down your search by entering the related PO number. Select or check the items that you wish to return and enter their corresponding quantities. Select Reason and enter notes. Click on Save, then Process. On the warehouse, under Receiving panel, click on Customer Returns. Each line item will have an assessment field. Double-click on Assessment and it will show you the review breakdown window. You may enter a quantity to either discard or review further. Click Set when done. Click Save and Receive when ready. To confirm that the stocks have been returned to your warehouse, go to Product, then Manage Inventory, and search for the product that have been returned. Double-click the review icon to complete the assessment. Now the stocks have been increased. Go to Customers, then View All Invoices and Credit Memos. Select Pending Credit Memo Status. The new columns RCPO and VRMA are now visible on the Pending Credit Memo screen. Check their corresponding boxes to indicate that you want to create the next possible transaction. RCPO to fulfill the customer's replacement order. VRMA to return the items back to the vendor. This way, you may no longer need to create these transactions separately as they are all connected in a seamless flow. Look for the Replacement Customer Order and Replacement Vendor Credit Memo. The replacement customer order will automatically contain the original customer order information on the item notes. Go to Returns, View All Vendor Returns. One transaction per line item will be shown for now. Click on Process to return the item from your warehouse to your vendor. Go to Warehouse. Under Shipping panel, go to Vendor Returns. You will then see the returns and you can now complete the shipping process to your vendor. You are now ready to fulfill your replacement customer order with the correct items. This is now the final invoice for the customer's replacement order. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other how-to videos.